Inside?
Yeah.
How did you guys find it? Huh? Oh, big guy. Where is he?
The head is, it's
Oh,
like
okay.
this, the head is this side, under this rock.
Okay, we'll have to tail it, I guess. Okay.
It's inside.
It's here. He might escape out of that.
Oh, it's big.
Can somebody stand there?
Yeah,
Take this and you stand outside. I'll secure this area. I'll probably tail it and bring it out. It. Suck. I don't have any other spot to. Will you go outside then?
I'll go.
Bagger you want?
Bagger, keep it ready just in case. Let Steve secure that area. You're in position, dude? You're in position? Okay. And nobody move, just stay where you are. Move. Hindugade. Our hatra. Yaru movement ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. You're in position, dude. I can see it, Dude, it is mostly coming towards you, okay? It will mostly come towards you. It's come. Where is it? Still there?
Yeah, it's here on the grass. It's coming towards there to the pipe, yellow pipe. It's here. Head is facing that side. It's coming this side now.
Get the bagger. Okay.
No, it's going back there.
Get the bagger.
Bagger with me.
Get the bagger. Keep the can you get this thing also? Pipe. Dude, get the pipe. This one, keep it underneath. If there is movement, it won't move. Ivare ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ? Video alla important. Keep it down. And no movement, please. Don't move, dude. You don't move, okay? You don't move. Ideally, I'll need that this thing only. Leave it. Let the pipe come. Keep it there with a stone. Come forward. Ella. No movement, just stay where you are, everybody. Yeah, cool. Just be careful with your leg, okay? Yeah, I want it to stay though. Keep the leg there also. Yoo-hoo!
Nice.
Good job. Oh man, where do we release this guy? This side. We need to figure out. Yeah, we'll probably. Okay, we'll take it. Too many people now. We'll just take it and then we'll decide. It's unfortunate that I don't have a better place to release. I'm hoping that it'll go into that forest area. Found a hole. Yeah.